Hey everybody, it's me, Carrie. I am just popping on really quick for a sort of kind of unboxing video. This is the Trucking Along bundle, which I am sad to tell you is currently not available in North America. That's right. It will come back, from what I understand, that you can get the punch, but you can't get the stamps right now. So those of you who pre-ordered, congratulations. This is part of my pre-order. There's more. I just didn't want to dump them all out on my box, but I will be working on this today, working on different projects so that, oh, sorry, I'm wiggling my camera, so that you can see what's coming in the kit. So I did last night place an order for some additional bundles so I could add some extra kits. If you are interested, you need to let me know right away. However, the $55 price is gone because when I did that, I did not know what the bundle, the stamps and the punches were going to cost. And they are over $6 more than I expected. Plus, with pre-orders, I always give a little bit of a discount too. So if you want it shipped, it's gonna, cost you. I'm gonna add in that shipping. So if you're picking it up, there'll be one price. If you're shipping, it'll be another. But the kit will still include 4 cards, one dimensional item like a 3D item, and the full color directions. So I see Lori's on there. Lori tried to order and found out she couldn't, so she's on my list. Are you going to be on my list? Let me know right away, because this kit is gonna go fast. I didn't order that many more, you guys. I didn't. Like half a dozen. So hurry up. Let me know. Bye.